I'm good. All right. Meteorologist Alex Pry here, coming to you with 13 WMAZ News as we overlook Dublin right now. The sunset is beautiful, 82 degrees, feeling a little bit warmer, and some winds from the south at 5 miles an hour, but nothing major. A beautiful evening. As we look at our radar right now, looking at some storms that we had earlier today in Lawrence County, and that was moving into the west. Now we see that line of storms is in central Houston County right there. Huh?
Put your arm down.
This one? Yeah. Oh, I thought it was the other one. Okay.
No, you had the clicker in the right hand.
Yeah,
So
okay.
you put your clicker with your arm down on
Yeah.
the side that's closest to the screen.
Okay. Okay, no.
Now, if you do, I'm going to call it out if you do it again, but keep going.
Okay, yeah. I was just like wondering what you're doing. I was like, oh, is he talking to me? All right. Meteorologist Alex Pry here with 13 WMAZ News as we overlook a beautiful sunset in Dublin right now, 82 degrees, feeling a little warmer with that humidity, but winds from the south at 5 miles an hour, making for a little bit of cool breeze tonight. And then as we look at our radar, we had some storms earlier today in Lawrence County over here to the east, and that has moved over to the west, but dissipated a lot. You can see that line of storms in central Houston County right now, but nothing but a shower. It will water your plants very well. Temperatures throughout the area, 85 in Warner Robins and Macon, 86 up in Sandersville, 88 down in Montezuma, but looking cooler in the northern region. And Monticello, 77 degrees up there, feeling very nice around sunset. And then for the southeast, looking relatively warm compared to the rest of the area. Over west, obviously, it is a lot warmer, but down in Jacksonville, it's 78 degrees. Some of those storms earlier today providing with some cloud cover. And the same story over here on the Gulf Coast. Some of those storms over there providing for some cooler temperatures in the lower 80s. Oh. And then future view, looking into the future view right now, expect all those storms that we had earlier today to move on out, clear out. And then a chance of fog tomorrow morning as we are clear if you had some pop-up showers last night. But then moving into tomorrow, same story as today, chance of scarce showers throughout the area and then clearing out again tomorrow night. But then we see that wind that was moving from the east shift coming in from the west. And then that is going to provide with a stronger chance of storms on Thursday. And then that will be throughout the evening on Thursday as well. Looking into Friday, we're seeing a very good, strong agreement between Euro and GFS. Storms all the way from the North Carolina coast down into the Georgia coast. And then moving in onto Saturday, you see this big system over here that could be providing us with some rain near the coastal regions or our southern DMA. And then chance of rain possible on Sunday from GFS, but nothing confirmed yet. And then we will see a very strong chance of rain throughout the coverage region on Monday. Now we're keeping our eye on the tropics. I just mentioned that system out over to the right. Right now we're looking at the remnants of Agatha down here over in Central America, crossing over into the Atlantic. Were this to develop in the next couple days, it would become Alex, and that would be the first name of the hurricane season for 2022. But make no mistake, this has not been declared a hurricane whatsoever so far. But the chance of develop is 40% over the next 2 days and 70% over the next 5 days. And then as we look at some models to track this storm moving into our area, we see both of them have it moving in north of Cuba into the Gulf of Mexico, across Florida, a little bit northern for the Euro, but you see that is predicted to possibly be a very strong storm due to these circles right here. And then by the beginning of next week, it will be moving out of our area and out of sight. Now, looking at tonight, low of 68. Sunset around 8:37 p.m. with some patchy fog in the area. Tomorrow, scattered showers possible once again, moving on up into 94 for the high and sunrise at 6:28 a.m. For our 7-day, as June begins, looking at some higher temperatures, moving back down into the weekend before increasing at the beginning of next week. Strong chance of rain Thursday and Friday at 40 and 30% before dying down into the weekend and early next week.